Hey, this is David with JMC at SEMA show this week. Right here we have a piece of equipment that they sell, the Corghi EM9280. It's a compact design, but as you see here, it can handle up to 165 pounds with a tire and wheel. Smart Arm allows you to put in exactly what kind of program without entering the data. How you measure is what the program calls for. Closing the hood, spins up automatically. As you noticed in here, there's an LED light that's standard with the machine. When the end of the cycle goes, you have a machine that comes standard with a laser line. Tells you exactly where to place it. Comes 110 with a monitor. Shipping, training, part of the price.